Hello my dear students and welcome to my Easy Maths class. Today's topic basic statistics. The first thing that you must know is what statistics is. Okay. So you should know this thing, few terms. You have to be accustomed with few terms. Number one, what is frequency distribution? You know, frequency distribution means during any survey when number of data is collected, when those data is arranged in a orderly manner so that everyone can understand the result or the readings of their survey, so that everyone will have some idea what is being said there. That is called actually frequency distribution. Let's see what is given. Data is collected from any survey which are called primary data. When arranged in ascending or descending order, then array or arranged data is obtained. So when primary data is collected and arranged in ascending or descending order, array or arranged data have been obtained, found. Okay. These arrays, when expressed in its simplest form, that is those arranged data or arrays, when expressed in simplest form, that is called frequency distribution. Soon I will show you how to make a frequency distribution table. Okay. Now the next important point that you must know before doing frequency distribution table, before forming frequency distribution table. What is that? If any finite group data be divided into some groups or classes, then each group is called its class or class interval. You know, whatever data are being collected, those have to be arranged in regular intervals. Say 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, like this. This range could be variable, but that has to be regular. So class interval is if any finite group data be divided into some groups or classes, then each group or this class is called class interval. Okay, those class intervals should be regular. Next point, what is range? The difference between highest and lowest value of any class or group data is called range. Say 5 to 10. 5 is lowest value, 10 is highest value. Okay. And next important point is what is class boundary? In many occasions, it will be found that when those class intervals are arranged, those might not be regular, means there might be some gap. Like say a data is like 0 to 5, then 6 to 10. So in between 5 and 6 there is a gap. Say 11 to 15. In between 10 and 11 there is a gap. So to make it regular, to fill up the gaps between two consecutive class intervals, the class limits of that intervals are extended to some limits, which are called class boundaries. Whatever have been said here, just we will implement while doing frequency distribution. Okay, I'll be back soon. Okay, my dear students, please go through this table. What is given? Electric bills of 45 families given below. Prepare a group frequency distribution table where each class length is 10. So number of data is given, that is electric bill of 45 families have been collected and they are arranged like this. These are called primary data. Okay, from this primary data, we have to find the class interval where the class range will be regular. Here it is given as 10. So that is why first I have found that here the minimum data is 50 or close to 50, not less than 50, and maximum data is 130 or just more. So I decided to make the class interval like this: 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, 100 to 110, 110 to 120, 120 to 130, and 130 to 140. Right. So the class length is 10. Now our duty is searching from these primary data, the required data, that is, say, thinking about this one, first class interval 50 to 60. Let's see how many data are there within 50 to 60, but we won't include 60 here. We will consider 60 in the next class interval. Okay. So 50 to 60. Within 50 to 60, 59, and this one is 52. Tally mark is 2, so frequency is 2. Okay, tally mark is 2, that is frequency is 2. Right. 52, 59. Okay, so tally mark is 2 or frequency is 2. Okay. Now we have to search from 60 to 70. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 60 to 70 is 2, frequency is 6. 60 to 70 is 6, frequency is 6, and tally mark written here is 6. Okay. Now 70 to 80 we have to find. 70 to 80. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 80 to 90 we have to find. 80 to 90 we have to search. 80 to 90. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now from 90 to 100, let's see how many data are there. 90 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. It is 7. Now from 100 to 110, we have to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. It is 7. Now from 110 to 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now from 120 to 130. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now from 130 to 140. 1, so we have found respective number of datas for respective classes or class interval. Okay. Let's see how many have been found. This one becomes 45. It means our frequency distribution table have been completed. Okay. I will show you this sort of another table. Till then, you please keep practicing. First, you have to search all the letters. You have to arrange all the regular classes, that is class interval, and then you have to search like this. And using tally mark, you can write down the frequency. Okay. So, from our next class, I will show you few interesting these sort of problems. Till then, goodbye.